We'll get the big ones today.
Big old fat girls.
Yeah.
Isn't that what Billy Thornton said?
Great big old fat girl.
Great big old fat girls. That was what it was.
No, that was something Bill. Silence of the Lamb. What's his name? Wild Bill.
Oh, Wild Bill. Yeah,
Yeah.
sounds still him.
So we're gonna get those big old fat girls. Oh! Dang, just missed him. Dang. Something hit me. There he is. There he is. Come on. Come on. There he is. I knew it. Right. Texas rig. I kept throwing right up in there where those trees are, those little branches. I had one that popped me a few good times. I thought it might have been a turtle, but it just felt different. I got him right on the bottom of the lip there. Man, that's a good way to start the day. I mean, he's not big by any means, but man, he's not bad for very first fish of the day. Right, let's let him go. Heck yeah. I refuse to believe that there's not a fish on something right there. There he is, boys. Another, there he is. I know. I say that every time because I do. Watermelon red flake. Heck yeah. Maybe 20, 30 minutes. 2. Man. They're not big. Man, I've caught it smaller. Let them go so they can grow. See you, buddy. Heck yeah, man. Watermelon red craw. You do know you're 2 behind. You're gonna have to make the beer runs tonight.
So far. A deal's a deal, shit.
Deal's a deal. Maybe. I think I got another one. There he is. Yes, sir. Oh. Oh, yeah. He ain't that big, but he's ornery.
You good?
Nah, he's just ornery. He's a fish, so he's good. Come on, son. Let's go. Strike King Rage Crawl for the win so far, buddy.
I don't need to get one of those.
You don't have any in your boat?
Not the red plate.
That's unfortunate. Man, he's white. It's bouncing. They're real shallow. They're still really cold. Water 60 degrees, so no surprise there. But man, albino? What's going on with that? Anyway, that's 3. Heck yeah. Lay that like it all. Yeah. My mouth was open.
There he is.
You got him one.
Oh!
That sucks.
He didn't hit it, he was just there, and I thought maybe I was kind of hung on something. Like he did a half set. He felt decent too. That's him. Yep. Wasn't the same one, but still work. Not too bad. Still a little small. But first fish of the day, so only 2 behind now.
You take a look. Yep. Awesome. So far, not a bad day. 4 fish. Less than an hour. I can dig it. I got 61.4. What do you got?
61.7.
So it's back to normal now after you dumped it in the water.
I'd be concerned.
Yeah. Last week we've been going out. It's been really cold. Last week he decided to.
I mean, it was on the bank.
Yeah. He decided to pull over to the bank to have a bio break, and I don't know how it happened, but he got out, but the boat was upside down. His graph went in.
I'm glad I wore shorts. I'm getting warm.
But it survived. Yeah, it is getting warm.
Huh?
It is getting warm. Definitely rethinking the pants, that's for sure. I hate to change baits when I'm catching fish, but I'm thinking about going to a worm, but not right now. I may have some lizards. There's some smaller creek fingers right around this little ways. They're really shallow, probably 2 to 3 feet deep, but I'm curious to see if anything's pulled up in there. But so far, this first path has not been bad. I think there might have been a little more current towards the top and probably going around this backside.
Yeah.
There's not much current over here. It's hardly moving. Yeah, I think a lot of them are hanging shallow, but they have deep water nearby.
That's what I was thinking, about 6 foot of water at least.
Yeah, they don't have, right here, there's no deep water even close.
Actually, I was thinking the same thing. Where we was catching them at, we were into 10 to 6 foot of water with the boat.
Yeah, because this shallow, you know, all the way from each side in here.
Yeah, like that point, maybe we got some deeper water.
Yeah, 10 to 6 foot where the boat was, but like a couple feet, they had places to go.
Not saying you can't catch one or there'll be 1 or 2 up in here.
Should we go upriver? Try to find some deeper water.
Let's roll.
Gotta try it.
Gotta check it out.
Oh. There he is. Oh yes, sir. Glad I checked that out. Glad I checked that out. Bent pull pattern.
See what else is up in there?
Yeah. Man, the same size. Haven't got anything big. I have to throw a different bait, but man,
How can you put
that was awesome.
You got what, 4 now?
Yeah. Just couldn't pass that up. I had to hit it. First cast. Couldn't pass it up. I had to throw that. First cast, bam.
I knew what you were doing.
4-1. Someone's grabbing beers and it ain't me.
Hey, since we're so close, why don't you toss one of those red flakes into the gun this way?
I'm totally out.
How come I think you're alive? See, I'm trying to hold you still, make you keep you out of trouble while you're retired. See how I do things for you? Now give me one of those babies. Thanks, appreciate you.
Yeah, whatever. Boat. There he is too. There he is. Yeah. That's a lot better one there, guys. A lot better one. Yeah, maybe. It is better. Oh, I don't think he's hooked very well. No, he's barely hooked. Oh, don't do that. Get in here. Get in here. Woo! Bigger. There we go. Yeah. That's the biggest one of the day. He's fat. Good belly on him. Oh, you can see it very well. It's pretty good. Still hard to get. It's hard to get rid of this rage crawl. It's working. Man, that's a bag, son. Full bag on you. Good fish. It's bouncing this thing on the shallows. Before I mess up every other place, I gotta get rid of it. What are you doing on my side, dirtbag? There he is. Oh, don't get me caught up behind that. Oh no, he's got me behind the pillar. Come out. Oh. You went to my side, so I figured I'd come here and finish up your side for you. No. Oh, he's all right. Heck yeah, man. It's all on the wrist. Christopher, it's all on the wrist, sir.
My wrist ain't doing dodgy duty again.
You better stop that bent pole pattern.
Huh?
Stop that bent pole pattern.
Yeah, no other patterns work.
Yeah, he's good, man. Heck yeah. We'll go 6. Or 6 fish, not 6 pounder.
Catching shallow?
Right on the other side of that pillar.
Dude, I can't tell you how many times I cast it up in there.
It's all how you hold your mouth and your wrist. Heck yeah. We can fish it all going back down because that's the way we're heading now. Except for those 2 little pipes.
What?
Except for those 2 little pipes.
That's where I'm heading. Gotta check it out. There he is. Finally. He chunked it. Got it down in him. Worked good. He wasn't coming off. Oh great, my camera's all cattywampus. Yeah, I don't know how well that came out. My camera got all messed up. Little feller, but
Something. There he is. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Come on, stay on, big guy. Come on. Oh, he could be a good one. He's bigger. There he is. Come on now, stay on. He's the biggest one if I can get him in. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Don't, you kick, don't kick, don't take it. There we go. Heck yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I knew it was barely hooked. I would have threw up. Nice. That's a good one right there. Man, just right outside the bridges. Not in the bridges, but right outside the bridges. He's over 2. Let me see if I can get a scale on him. Okay. 3-2, 3-3, I'll take it. Man, we've been fishing through the winter. It's just been too slow to really get anything to film, man. But today's different. Beautiful weather. It's about 70, maybe more. Water's around 66. It was about 62 this morning. Man, they're feeding. And I can't really switch to another bait because of this. Awesome, man. That's awesome. All right, buddy. We'll let you go. We'll see you. him again, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's bring him over here. 8 or 9, I'm not quite sure. He's barely hooked too. There we go. He's pretty upset at this point. He told me I was number 1, and that was appreciated. Such a nice guy. I don't know what this is. Little guy, but hey, they're biting. See you later. Ooh. Oh! Oh no! There you go. Keep this one. Let's see that bad boy.
Pretty nice, dude.
Yeah.
3.
Nice.
There's a red plate.
I don't know if I got it.
Much less than this time, dude.
I got 2. I'll probably have more though.
You felt pretty good.
Can't afford to lose it.
I'm coming.
There it goes. There it goes.
I think that was the same fish I lost the first time,
May have been.
because the first time when I come in, the hook was still skin hook. So I'm like, maybe I didn't hit him hard. I'm gonna throw back up in it.
Yeah, might have been the same one.
That's what, 3 for me?
Yeah.
I wonder if my battery went dead.
I got 1 blinking.
I'm dead.
All right, guys, it was a good day. We've been fishing through the winter, and it's been tough, so we haven't really been able to post much content. But today was a better day. It was
Better for some than others.
yeah, better for some than others. So it seemed to me like we were casting up on the banks to where the weed lines were, like it was dead grass. It was like it was different. That seemed like the better way. And then I also found a lot of them right before you go under the bridges, right outside the first pillars.
Against wood.
Yeah. There were some under the bridges, but for the most part, man, it was the
sun pockets and beside wood and dead branches.
I don't know. I think I had 8 or 9, and he just got one. His GoPro is dead, so hopefully I got a little bit of the content on mine. But
I got 3.
It was a good day. 70 degrees. The water was about 62, 63 degrees here on one half of the river, and the other half was about 64, 65.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was a pretty big difference between the two, but they were biting.
The guy that charging the batteries kind of fell down.
No, they were charged. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Had a good time. Peace.
A deal's a deal.